be able to know what is going on in my children's life. For the first 5 days of the week, they are really not with me, and I only see them on Saturday, Sunday. So why not in SPM to find out what are they actually doing, and how can I contribute in their journey in sports school? Making an impact to the sports athlete is what SPM is all about. Alright parents, with that, I urge you to join us in this Sporting Parents Network, where we will make an impact in our students' life as well as your child. Join us now.